Good morning children, welcome to today's class. So today we will start chapter 5, PowerPoint Advanced Feature. So what is PowerPoint? Already we have told that PowerPoint is used to create presentations. So PowerPoint is used to create presentation. So using PowerPoint you can create slides, PPT, and you can show to the audience. So it is a presentation software package. MS stands for Microsoft PowerPoint. So using PowerPoint you can create beautiful presentation. You can apply some pictures, you can apply colors, fonts, and different themes and designs also in PowerPoint. So how to create presentation using different type of theme. So students, you have one activity given on page number 52. That activity you have to do by yourself. So creating presentation using theme. So how you can create presentation using theme. So first, what is a theme? So a theme is a predefined combination. A theme is a predefined combination of background, colors, fonts, effects that can be applied to a presentation. So using a theme, we can easily format our entire presentation to give it a professional look. So let us learn how to create a new presentation using a theme. So what is a theme? Theme is a predefined combination of background, colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to a presentation. Using a theme, we can easily format our entire presentation to give it a professional look. So let us learn to create a new presentation using theme. So how you can create a presentation using theme, I will tell you. Click on the File tab, then on the and click on the new option in the available templates themes section. Click on the themes button. So in the available template section, click on the themes button. Scroll through the list of themes and select a suitable theme. Now click on create button. I will explain you practically also. So a new presentation with selected theme is created with title slide. Here title is also there, subtitle is there. You can select one title and subtitle. You can add more slide as required. Suppose you want more slide, then you click on new slide option is there. Click on new slide, then you can add more slide, or insert new slide, you can add more slide. So a presentation with selected theme is created with title slide, and you can more slide. Suppose only one slide you have created. If you want more slide, then you can create more slide. So you can also apply theme to an existing presentation. Already you have created a presentation, so you can apply theme to an existing. The presentation is already exists, so you can apply theme to an existing presentation. For this, open the required presentation, go to the design tab. Clear? Open the required presentation, go to the design tab, click on the theme listed in the themes group. Open the required presentation, go to the design tab and click on the theme listed in the themes group. The theme will get applied to the slides of your presentation. So for this, open the required presentation, go to the design tab and click on the theme. Different types of themes are available. You can select any themes and the theme will get applied to the slides in your presentation. In this way you can give presentation. Now customizing a theme. So after applying a theme to a presentation, we may feel that all the elements of the theme are not as per our liking. For example, we might like the fonts from the theme but not its color scheme. So you can select different colors are available, you can see here. So you can select any other color. Suppose you don't like the color, then you can select color. You can see a list of colors are available. You can select any color to the themes. You can see different types of themes are there. I will explain you practically also how you can select theme. So after applying, in such a case, PowerPoint 2010 allows us to select different color schemes and modify them to customize. Now how to changing the theme colors? We can change the theme colors. The steps to change the theme colors are as follows. How? Open the design tab, click on the theme colors button. Click on the themes color button. A drop down menu will appear. Hover the mouse over the different sets of theme colors to see a live preview. Select the set of theme colors you want. The theme colors will get applied to the design. So sometimes when the same colors are changed, the text color may not update on all the slides. If this occurs, save and close your file. When you reopen it, it displays the correct colors. So customizing a theme. How you can change theme font. We can change the theme fonts. The steps to change the theme font. From the design tab, click on the theme fonts. A drop down menu will appear. Hover the mouse over the different sets of theme fonts to see a live preview. You can see a live preview. Select the set of themes of fonts you want. Any font, a set of theme fonts is available. You can select the set of theme fonts you want. Like it is Calibri is there, Cambria is there, different theme fonts are there. You can select a set of theme font. You can select set of theme fonts you want. Suppose any type of font you want, a set of themes are available, you can select. Now see, list of theme fonts are there. You can select any theme. Now if you want to change the theme also, you can change. So changing theme effects. How you can change the theme effects? We can change the theme effect. The steps to change the theme effects are as follows. From the design tab, go to design tab, click on the themes effect command. A drop down menu will appear. Hover the mouse over the different sets of theme effects to see a live preview. If you click on the mouse, you can see a live preview of the different types of themes effects. Different effects are there. If you click on the mouse, you can see the effects. You can see a live preview. Set the theme effects will get applied. You can apply different theme effect. Changing the background styles. This from the design tab, again theme effects drop down. Now a drop down menu will appear. You click the mouse, different set of theme effects to see a live preview. Select the set of theme effects you want. What type of themes you want, you can select. The change theme effects will apply. Now changing the background style. It is given in page number 54. So changing the background style. To further customize our slides, we can change the color and texture of our to further customize our slide, we can change the color and texture of the theme's background by choosing different background styles. The steps to change the background are as follows. First, from the design tab, click on the background style command. Select the desired style. Suppose you want any style, now new background will appear in the slide. You can choose. The available background style will vary depending on them you are using. Different background is available. Now how to save a theme. Once we have found the settings that we like, we would want to save the theme so it can be used in other presentation as well. The steps to save a themes are as follows. From the design tab, click on more themes command. A drop down menu will appear. Select save current theme option. Type a file name of your theme, then click save. the theme will get saved with the given name. One activity is given in page number 55. So children, you know how to create a presentation. So you have to create a presentation on different seasons of year using a theme slipstream. Insert the content, pictures, text and readjust the positioning of the various placeholder and objects as per your requirement. You can take clues from sample given here. You have to create a presentation like this, different seasons of a year using themes. So today I have told you how to change the theme using different types of styles. So what is the theme, how to change the theme colors, how you can apply the customized theme, how you can change the theme color, everything I have explained you. Practically also I will explain you all those things in next class. So first again I am recalling whatever I have taught. A theme is a predefined combination of background colors, fonts and effects that can be applied to a presentation. Using theme we can easily format our entire presentation to give it a professional look. So now click on the file tab, then click on new option. Available templates and theme section, click on themes button. You can click on themes button, scroll through the list of themes and select available one. Then click on create button. A new presentation with selected theme is created with title slide. You can add more slide also. You can add more slide. You can also apply a theme to an existing presentation. For this, open the required presentation, click on the design tab and click on the theme listed in the themes group. After applying a theme to a presentation, we may feel that the elements of the theme are not per our liking. So we can change the colors. Different colors are available, different color schemes are available. You can change a set of colors over here. We can change the theme colors. The steps are: open the design tab, drop menu, then when you will do, you can change the theme colors. Then theme fonts, you can write different types of fonts are available, so you can choose any font and you can apply. Different theme effects are also there. You can select different effects and you can apply to your presentation. Then I have told you how you can change the background. We can change the background by the steps are given below. From the design tab, background style, select the desired style, then you can save. So you can save the theme background also. Click on the steps I have told you. From the design tab, more themes command, then you can save the theme also. And one activity is given. You have to practice that activity. So that's all for today. See you in next class. I will explain you whatever I have taught you practically also. All the things I will explain you practically.